This is going to test the Rockville 12 powered speakers to see how they sound. Play a little song real quick. I got it turned up by a little under halfway.
Do it, make sense. Harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never. Ever, after work is over. Work it. Make it, do it, make sense.
They sound pretty good. I'm gonna probably add a power subwoofer to them, but they sound pretty good for what they are. I'll probably ride with these for about 6-7 months, then I'll go get the 15s. But these are cool for the house, you know, take out the little joints just to mess around with. Let me know what you think.